In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to redeem codes in Clash Royale. Let's get started. First, launch your Clash Royale app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on three bars, then navigate to the option settings. This will open up the settings menu where you will find different options related to your account. Now inside settings, look for a button or option that says redeem code. Keep in mind this option only appears when there is an active promo or event code released by Supercell. If you don't see it right now, it simply means there is no active code available at the moment. If the option is available, tap on it and enter your code exactly as it appears. Make sure you check for capital letters, numbers, and any special characters since codes are usually case sensitive. After entering the code, tap on redeem or confirm. If the code is valid, your rewards will be added instantly to your account. If it's expired or incorrect, you'll see an error message letting you know. Finally, go back to your game and check your rewards. These could appear as gems, codes, cards, or chests depending on the promotion, and that's it. This is how you can easily redeem codes in Clash Royale. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.